Real estate, infrastructure, and facilities make up 30% of operational costs on average, but their true value goes much further. Buildings, systems, space, and equipment are more than expenses. They're vital to your mission success. Archibus enables organizations around the world to maximize the strategic value of their built environments, connecting places to the goals they serve. Every place has a purpose, and we believe that when you optimize places around their greater purpose, you bring out the best in people. When you create a better place to live, learn, work, and grow, that's when individuals do amazing things. It's how a telecommunications company saved 968 million euros. A global bank tracks and maintains 10,000 structures in over 100 countries. And a city made room for 19,000 new students on time for opening bell. Because ultimately, it's about taking care of the places that take care of you. It's about smarter buildings and greener campuses, classrooms that inspire and offices that invigorate, more intelligent cities, and a more sustainable planet. One community, one mission, one platform. Archibus. Join us in the new digital age of collaboration.